Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time, but today we will be on Lake Lanier and trying to get this guy, Chance, on a kayak. So, without further ado, let's get going because I have a feeling this is gonna be pretty interesting. Alright, let's go. It's a fine day on Lake Lanier, and I'm with my sister. I just gotta catch up. Alright, so I kinda messed up here because I recorded all of this with the speaker in the front of my kayak blasting music that if I put on YouTube will cause me copyright issues. I was playing Already Gone by the Eagles, America by Toby Keith, and then I didn't know where to put my camera.
Put it in your fishing hole.
Where's the fishing hole?
Behind you.
Alright, there we go.
Okay.
Oh, let's go! Look guys, I really hope you are enjoying Chance in this video because my editing is all over the place right now. I'm trying to figure out ways to cut out songs because I don't want copyright issues. So, that's why some of my clips are split up so much. Anyways, here comes YouTube studio music.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Good boy! Oh, don't choke.
Never the same. Never equal.
Bro, that DJI is not the best thing to have on a lake. You gotta be close to shore because it will not land in your palm. It's kind of finicky. But my sister was able to get her dog, Chance, which you have seen in my videos before, on the kayak. That right there is the CEO of Blueprint Risk Consulting. Chief Security Officer. So, if your commercial business does not have any risk management, that is the person for you. And then her assistant, right there, is Mr. Chance.
Yep. Up.
Whoa.
Gotta sit down, bud. On my leg. In the kayak. Gotta get in the kayak. Not on my leg. Right there. Good. We're fast as I'm eating you and I have him with me. Oh! 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 No chance. No, 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 no.
We're not switching kayaks.
Sit down. Guys, guys. What do you want to do? What do you think this is just joyriding? You can switch whenever you want.
I took two.
Or just one.
No, I got a few.
Thank you.
Oh.
Lay down. Stand. Lay down. Good. Good. You're okay. It's okay. Good boy. How do you do that?
Searching for the uncertain haze. Familiar skies and a well-worn path. Oh, yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna interview the world's best dog. Stay there, bud. Alright, so how was the kayak? Why are you whining? How was the kayak? Did you like it? Alright, Chance. You liked it, right? Oh. Yeah, he liked it. Now we put the kayaks up. Guys, thank you for watching the video if you did all the way through, because not many people actually watch my videos all the way through. But if you did, I appreciate it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.